So in this video we are going to explode our view. Okay, so go to exploded view, click this and click that part. Okay, and rotate it that way. This is the first step, and in next step click this part and drag it to that way, opposite way. Okay, now in next step drag it to that way. Okay, in that way. Okay, in next step explode it in that way. Okay, in next step explode it in that way. Okay, again explode it this way. Okay, now done. And okay, so here is our exploded view. Okay, now if we wanna check exploded view, go to the configuration manager and click this bullet point and click that exploded view. Let's see, I don't know what's that. So it's nothing. Check this. Okay, delete it. Yes, so we have this exploded view. Animate. See, that's the exploded view. I don't know how to reverse it, but let's see again. We move it. Okay, again I think it needs more work. Edit feature, smart explode lines. Okay, now it's a little bit in a more refined shape. You can see the lines of this. You can see the origin. Okay, show. See, you can see what is the origin of this and where it has been displaced. This line speaks everything. That's all. It was the exploded view. You can back it home. Explode line sketch. Go to this. Go to this. Okay. Now I have undo the exploded view and it's back to default position. Go to this and motion study and run it. That's all. Thank you very much.